We start from here to checking their tickets. Yes, is the place. All the passenger coming from it. And here, how the passenger wait the train until we start to get in. Then they wait for passengers here. Passenger train. They wait for passenger train because the passenger inside on a station. It is Ethiopian Railway. How to organize before the passenger on inside the train. Yes, the inspector is finished their work. Look, the train stop here because the passenger out from here, inside from here, it's out from here by one by one. It's on checking time. Here the checking time. Now it is a checking time, and then now when they finish the checking, we will check their ticket here as it's inside, and they out. They make a line out from here. Yes. Now I show you the locomotive part. I'm sorry for my camera. It is the morning. Yes. See. Okay. Yes. Here. Yes. Okay. Now, as I tell you, it is on track 1 or platform. Yes. They out from here, from checking place, from waiting area, and they make their line. One line, and they get in on the train. And now we are ready for depart the K2 train, Dire Dawa to Djibouti train. We are ready to depart from Dire Dawa station. Look, the green flag is to depart from here. We depart the train. Our train is depart from here. Yes, all over. It's departs. The train is depart from here. Yes, we depart it. Yes, 8:30. Depart from Dire Dawa station. We finish at all. Yes.